Hello kids, my name is Ratin. Today I am going to teach you about. Okay, now we are going to start. Take your pencil kids. First of all, a boat is lying in a water. So we are going to make it a wave line. So we are making a wave line, one wave line which is going up and down. And one slanting line going towards upside, one more slanting line going towards upside, and one slipping line which is connecting both the slanting line. This is my boat, lower boat. Now one blower, one standing line, one slanting line, and one more slanting line in a standing triangle shape. This is my boat done. This boat is sailing in the water. So now kids, take your color. It's color time. Now water, we will do it with the sky blue color. First to border first, and then color. First to the border of the wave line. Here your border is going to finish. Now fill inside sky blue color, take it small position and fill it in a slipping position. Very small part, take it please, so your color cannot get outside. Do it in a same mode. Don't change your color patterns. If you are doing in a slipping, carry on with your slipping mode. I done my water. Now I am going towards brown color for making my lower boat. One slanting line. This is made up with wooden, so I am going to make it with brown color. One slipping line, one slipping line. My border is done. Even also downside some wave lines, so color cannot merge in water. My lower border is done. Now fill color in a slipping mode in a small portion. Here our color is done. Now red color on a blower. First two borders standing, one slanting border, one more slanting border. Now fill inside in a standing position because blower is standing. My red color is done. Here our boat is also done. Kids, you can make it for your drawing examinations, for your classwork, for your homework, even in your science project like means of transportation. Okay, if you got a fun with this drawing, please subscribe us. Thank you kids. Take care. Bye.